Hi, I'm glad you're here. I'm Jared. I'm a psychotherapist, and I mainly work with people with functional neurological disorders and chronic pain. In this video, I want to show you how simple meditations can help you reduce feelings of chronic pain. Now, when I see people in my therapy and we try to reduce their feelings of chronic pain, sometimes they go through the meditations, they go through the exercise, and they still don't feel relief. It doesn't happen all the time because I really do my best to understand how their body is doing. And the difficulty that most people have, that I have encountered, is their ability to understand how their body is feeling and how their body is feeling throughout the meditation can get in the way. Really, what's going on is that the body feels like it's being forced into relaxing right away. A lot of mental effort expended or used or applied to relax. But the thing is, you have to learn to understand how your own body is going to relax. You have to understand where your body is at that moment and then guide it along the way. Okay, so put the phone down and let's follow along. Let's do this together. All right, so go find a comfortable spot where you can sit or lay down. And then I'd like to encourage you to close your eyes. And as you have your eyes closed, I'd like to encourage you to slowly attend to how it feels in your body as you breathe normally. For this meditation, you're just going to breathe normally. We're not going to make any alterations to the inhalation and exhalation duration. We're going to spend a little bit more time to enable you to understand how your own body regulates and how your own body finds balance. I'd like you to notice the soft and gentle movements of your torso when you inhale and then when you exhale. You will notice this sensation right around your shoulders, your sides, or sometimes even the back of your neck. Notice the air as it gently enters your nostrils. You may think of this in terms of intensity or speed of the air. Now see if you can reduce the speed of the air just a little bit. I know I said earlier we're not going to change the duration of the inhalation and exhalation here specifically. So we're going to do that, but I'd like to encourage you to just change it ever so slightly and gently. Just inhale or exhale just a little slower. You know that you're doing this right if you are inhaling and exhaling slower and still feel comfortable doing so. The moment you feel uncomfortable, that means you're overdoing it, and that's not a big deal. Just inhale and exhale normally, and then try again. Try a little less effort this time. Now, another strategy in here that you can use to notice how your body is gently moving and just naturally inhale slower and exhale slower is by noticing how it feels in your entire body. Notice the stillness of your body from head to toe. And then noticing that stillness of your body naturally enables you to feel how slow and how gentle your body is moving as you are breathing. It just makes it a little bit easier to notice the subtle movements of your body. Now I'd like you to remember just in your mind and think about feelings of chronic pain. Think about where in your body you feel this pain, and just remember how it feels. Notice your breath to see if there's any changes to your breath because of your recollection of where this pain is and how this pain feels for you. And then just breathe normally as you can. And then just allow the body to relax. Allow the body to be still after you've remembered this feeling. Notice any tendencies of the body to breathe in faster or to breathe in shallow as you remember feelings of pain, or as you remember specific movements that will cause feelings of pain. And then just let that just settle and breathe. Allow the body to relax, even though you have remembered those feelings and those sensations. Right now, just hear the sound coming from the video. Allow things to be. Check in on yourself for any desire to correct, to make big changes on how you're breathing. And just allow things to settle. Let things happen as they are happening. And checking in on your breath every now and then, just to make sure you're breathing in and breathing out as normally and as relaxed as you can. Notice the expansion of your chest as you breathe in, and the contraction of your chest as you breathe out. And then just notice your breath. As you are breathing in this way, just notice overall how it feels in your body. You might notice a sensation of weight, maybe in your arms or hands or your torso. We're not doing anything to change anything right now. You're just being, allowing your body to settle. See if you can feel your heartbeat. Usually you can feel your heartbeat right around your neck, maybe sensations closer to your ears, or also your chest, your thumbs, or even your feet. And then just keep sensing your heartbeat. I want you to notice any desire to change anything, or even to change how you're seated. And just sit comfortably and allow things to be. Well, there you have it. I feel quite relaxed doing this meditation. Let me know if you've tried it, and let me know in the comments how else I can help you find relief from chronic pain. I'll see you again.